Hi, this is Mark RDB, once was cabinet maker. This is a Maka 3-head 11-foot table mortising machine I've been rebuilding. Finally got it finished. It was in quite a state of disrepair and I've had to pretty much rebuild every part of it. Anyhow, this is how it looks now. I've replaced all the clamps, replaced the new shafts on here, and line bored the bearing blocks. This is the control panel. I've just put in the electrical panel there and hooked it up and tried it out. So we have the main disconnect switch, machine on, and then the motor selector, and they have you can turn the motors off, you can turn them forward or reverse. There's 3 heads on this machine. And you also can turn on the clamps. As you turn the head off, you can turn the clamps on, just have one head running. And this is the feed unit with this an air feed cylinder with a hydraulic braking, and this is the air control system we've got wired up here. I may need to bleed this hydraulic oil cylinder again. It looks like it's still got a few air bubbles in. If the table goes in a bit bumpy, it's usually due to air bubbles in there. They're kind of hard to get all the air out, but I may have to bleed it a little bit more. Anyhow, this is how it operates. It's all quite simple. Once it's turned on, you have a foot pedal. The foot pedal has 3 positions. Clamps come on automatically. Head starts automatically. And a feed. You have feed speed control here. You have the stop button here. And then the foot pedal resets, shuts everything off and releases the clamps. So that's it in a nutshell. Thank you.